Good morning. My name is Bert Plante. I am an Operations Section Chief trainee with the Southern Area Gold Team here on the Cameron Peak Fire. It's Monday the 23rd, and we're here to give you an idea of what we're up to today. So to start right off, we've got a lot of fuels work going on up in the northwest side in the Division Delta area. That's involving trying to drag out a lot of the salvage wood that's been where the fire ripped through. You know how that goes. We've also got a major amount of repair and rehab work going on through Lima Division. They're actually working up into this area today also. And we're trying to restore the conditions back to kind of pre-fire. We're also trying to repair the roads and culverts and various improvements that have been damaged or fried in the fires. Over on the east side, the Pingree area is kind of where most of our activity has been happening. We had smoke in the area of the Colorado University, the campus that's up in there. We had people in there yesterday working on mop-up. We were doing some rehab in and around that area, and we're trying to start assessing and collecting any equipment we have out there, because some of you may have noticed winter is coming, and pumps and water tanks and hoses and winter don't really mix. Finally, down in Division X-Ray and Yankee, we have a structure protection group that's comprised of 5 or 6 engines and several overhead. Their job is they're keeping an eye on this little area that punched out most recently, and they're checking structures throughout the Estes Park area. They're also assessing and trying to find equipment that's down in that area. Same idea. We don't want to have anything get damaged by the cold that would be otherwise, lost to us and for future use. Finally, if there's any questions, we're always happy to answer questions. And down below my picture here somewhere, there's a spot you can type some in. We'll take them on, and I guarantee you that I can be just as intelligent as your questions are, more or less. And beyond that, that ought to do it for today. I hope you enjoy your Monday, and I hope we enjoy ours. Watch the weather.